Hi, this is Professor Michael Smith. This is an optional video. If you want to also know how to work on the text icons, if it's that is at all confusing, this is how to work with text icon layout within the Moron test project in JavaScript. So this is the scene we're going to be rebuilding. We're going to start with our boilerplate again, if you want. So we're going to make a copy of this and paste it. And this is actually, we'll rename this. This is scene, happens to be scene 3. All right. And we'll have that open to look at. Right now it's our default, but we can see here's our one text icon, and we're going to be following that same pattern. So all of these icon elements aren't going to be useful the way they're set up. What we want to do is we're going to be working with this text icon process where you can see there's a class text icon, and we're going to be working with the color black, its position, right, based on the left property and top property, and then a value. So this is pretty straightforward. The only other thing is they all also have a size. We're using a smaller size, so we have a font size that is only 8 rem. Okay. But then we would have our first symbol, which happens to be the division symbol, can be added by holding down the option and backslash. With that saved, we can see that our division symbol is here, but oops, we need to move it still. And based on my previous numbers that I had calculated, this is at 20% from the left and 35% down. There we go, and that matches the division symbol position here. And the rest is pretty straightforward. What we're going to do is just copy this I element 4 more times and save it, and then we're going to change the symbols. So we'll use the minus symbol, the plus symbol, or whoops, the an X for a multiplication symbol, and then the plus symbol. And then finally we have to fix our positioning. So they were at, they're all from the top 35% down, but they're 40% across, 60% across, and 80% across. If we save that, we can see that they're all pretty much lined up with, I guess, oh, we have a color that's off. Oh, I guess I used a different color in a different one. So, and then finally all we need left is to just change the instructions back in our H2, which is supposed to say click the plus sign. And that's it for this tutorial on how to work with the text icon class within your I elements.